Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when mouse click randomly stops working on your Windows 11 computer. The first step, in case of wired connection, you can disconnect your mouse from the computer and then restart your computer and then plug in your mouse once again and then check. Next step is to uninstall all Logitech software. Install only Logitech software that is recommended by the manufacturer. So if you have any, like I have Logitech G Hub, so you can close this, quit this and then check. If that does not work, you can simply go to settings and then go to apps and then go to installed apps and check for Logitech software. It's not only G Hub. If you have any other Logitech software which you're not using, you can uninstall it. Now once the uninstall is complete, once this is complete, now you can restart your computer. So uninstall Logitech software and then restart your computer and then check. Next step is to disable overlay or close overlay application. So if you have any overlay application, like if you have Discord running, you can go to settings, then go to game overlay. If this is on, you can turn this off and then check. If that does not work, you can even close Discord. So quit Discord. Now also, if you have GeForce experience, on the top click on settings and then scroll down under general, you will see in-game overlay. You can turn this off, and once this is off, you can check. If that does not work, you can close GeForce. You can exit GeForce. So close all the overlay application and then check. Next step is to clear cache of File Explorer. Now for this, copy this location. This location is provided in the video description. Type in run in Windows search box and then click on run. Paste the path over here and then click on OK. Now delete the content of this automatic destination. So whatever you have over here, just Control A, make a right click and then click on delete. Whatever you can delete it, and after you delete it, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Next step is to perform clean boot. Now for this, type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. Go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Put a check over here and then click on disable all. In my case, this option is grayed out. I already did it. In your case, this would be highlighted. So make sure you put a check on hide all Microsoft services first and then click on disable all and then click on apply. Click on OK. You will see a restart option, restart your computer and then check. Next, the last step is to uninstall recently installed Windows update and then check. So sometimes this happens when you install any Windows update. So you can go to Windows update and then go to update history and then scroll down. At the end you will see uninstall update. Click on it, and whichever update is installed recently, you can try to uninstall that update and then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the mouse click working, and it should not stop. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.